So as usual for Monday we have regional, and for regional we have about 12 trading idea. Let's start. First one, we are going to highlight the ASEAN equities index, the FTSE Asian 40 index. So as our last report on the 5th February, we are expecting the index to continue to trade higher, particularly to challenging the net resistance level right within at 10,500, despite some setback much more earlier. The index pretty much able to retain the ongoing uptrend. As you can see, is continue and it's about to test our index resistance already, which is actually the December last year high. So a breakout above this level could actually prolong the ongoing uptrend toward the next target at 10,800, and we think there's decent chance for that, particularly when you see a fresh breakout move on RSI, indicating the overall momentum remain pretty much elevated. Now, I think the support also has been revised higher at 10,200, and 10,050 is pretty much the recent support. So this first support now becomes second support, while we are introducing higher support at 10,200. Moving on into trading idea of the day, we have two stock for Malaysia. The first one will be CCK Holding, quant style momentum, quant score 8.25, uptrend is pretty much in play. We've seen a new series of high-low structure right along the 20-day moving average. Momentum remain elevated. MACD did not cross above the signal line yet, but histogram is actually start to easing off toward the zero line. So we are expecting uptrend to continue. Particularly, you are seeing the thicker volume profile here, suggesting there's numbers of the accumulation in between these particular zones. So we think the recent accumulation has ended and could actually propel the stock higher. Next technical target will be at 98.5 cent and 104 cent, while the support colors level will be below 87 cent. And then we have Yinsen Holding. The stock has pretty much break above the long-term downtrend line to establish a new higher structure right above the 100 and 200-day moving average. So for the past 2 months, we see a new baseline was formed, while the stock could be, I would say, in the sideway, but the structure, longer term structure, is improving. Trading volume is actually increasing, and momentum also improving. So we're expecting what we call that the uptrend to continue once the current accumulation has completed. So for quant style will be grow at 6.65, while the resistance will be at 2.68 and 2.9. Cut loss will be below 2.45. Moving on for Indonesia, we have to stock Dharma Polymetal, relatively quite high momentum reading, one style of 9.1. We're expecting a rebound from the current support, with the net technical target will be at 1335 and 1455 Indonesia rupiah, with the cut loss below 1150. And then we have Cisarua Mountain Dairy. The stock, what we call the consolidation within this double bottom pattern set to end, as well actually testing the pattern neckline at 4,260. A breakout above that level could set the stock continue to trade higher, and we put technical resistance at 4750 and 5121 Indonesian rupiah, while the cut loss below 4040. One score quality is with the scoring at 7.4. Philippines, we like DG Plus Interactive, momentum remains strong. If you look on the quant score, also quite high at 9.1. This is actually pretty much the reason why the uptrend is pretty much intact. And the recent consolidation within this following pattern, it has ended following last Friday breakout move. So we're expecting the new upcycle to unfold, with the next technical target is actually pair 8.65 and 9.7 Philippine peso, with the cut loss below 7.35. And then we have Filinvest REIT Corporation. What we like about the stock, you can see the current consolidation about to end. The compression within the Bollinger Band also indicating that there could be a looming breakout ahead. Momentum, while it can be a little bit, I would say improving, but with the quant style, momentum is actually lower at 5.7. Yeah, you can tell because the uptrend is just getting started. So we're expecting the new upcycle to continue as we put our next target at 3.35 and 3.68, while the cut will be below 3 Philippine peso. For Singapore, we like Comfort Del Grow Corporation. Uptrend still intact. Any decline was pretty much kept within the 88-day moving average for the past few months, and we think the current structure able to retain, particularly quickly as the stock create a new, stronger rebound right within the critical level. Previous resistance turned into a support level right within at Sing dollar 1.32 region. Now, momentum in term of quant, we are using quant side momentum reading quite high at 0.05. Momentum in the RSI also picking up. The trend also turned much positive. We're expecting the ongoing uptrend to continue as we put next technical target at 1.45, 49, and 1.61, while the color will be below 1.33 Sing dollar. The next will be Yang Zijian Shipbuilding uptrend set to continue after the stock build a new baseline above the 15-day moving average. The structure quite supportive. I think long-term uptrend set to continue. One of the good reason is you can tell that there are subsequent stronger rebound within at 200-day moving average. That's actually provide you much more stronger footing for the stock as the stock start to trend higher. Momentum in term RSI has started to turn positive, trading volume improving, so we expect the new upcycle to prolong the stock higher as we put our net technical target at 1.79 and 1.93, cut loss below 1.576 dollar. Quant side will be momentum with the scoring is quite high at 8.55. Then we have Moshi Moshi Retail for Thailand. One of the reason why we think the stock could actually continue to trade higher, a solid breakout move over the medium-term downtrend line. Trading volume is improving, momentum remain elevated. Quant style momentum, fund scoring at 7.9. We're expecting uptrend to continue. Next technical will be at 60.5 and 69 Thai baht with a cut loss below 52 baht. Second stock for Thailand will be Muan Thai Capital. One reason why we highlight it because this recent setback was pretty much kept within the 88-day moving average as the stock continued to create a series of high low structure. And if you look on overall trend structure, momentum breakout in RSI and the trend also inside the positive territory. So we're expecting the current upcycle to continue to unfold with the net technical target at 49.25 and 55 Thai baht. Cut loss below 42 by about constant momentum scoring at 8.3. Last will be Vietnam Maritime Bank. We have solid breakout move last week. We're expecting the stock to trade higher at 16,000 and 17,500 Vietnam dollar. Constant momentum, one score at 7.3. Last but not least will be Far Light Thermal Power. Also Vietnam stock and the recent consolidation within this Bollinger Band has about to end it. So we are seeing a similar pattern with Philippine Philippines just now. So we're expecting a looming breakout soon. And with the next technical target is actually at 40,000 and 14,500. 15,500 with the colors below 13,000 Vietnam dollar. Pound style momentum, cost is 7.